Most times it's a lost case. It's a lost case. Over the years, I'm 60 years old. We have been hearing about rural-urban flight. Now what we are hearing is Japa. People are running away. The government has not done proper need assessment. What are the needs of the people? You have to do proper need assessment. If you don't know, there are certain development that is not suitable for a particular area. Take here, for example, there was a general hospital in Abonima, built by Dated Smith, functional, well equipped. There was a general hospital that was one of the first general hospitals in Nigeria at Degema, leper colony, everything, functional. There was a general hospital in Buguma, built by Dated Smith, functional. All of them, they are dead. Amechi came and built health centers everywhere. Virtually all the health centers are dead. At the time Smith built the general hospital at Abonima and Buguma, there were no roads. We go by speedboats and dugout boats. And this hospital were functional. Doctors were there. The courts were functional. Today we have roads. Today we have electricity. And the reverse is the case. The hospital, yes, because there is no proper need assessment. When the government put in place institutions and infrastructure, one government has done it, another government will do something that will create. The first thing you do is to create wealth. Wealth creation is the most important thing. How do you create wealth? That will make the people not to leave. Take Obama for example now. The population of Obama is more than the population of all the communities around. Why? Because there is an ongoing economic activity here that has brought in about 2,000 people. And they are coming here with their girlfriends, their wives, their children, and everybody. So there's a population explosion. Houses that used to go for 2,000 a month, a room, 3,000 a month, a room. Today, self-contained is 150,000 naira in Obama. We have to create. For instance, what is the need of this place? Obama. Kalawari people are generally not farmers. We don't farm. We are by nature fishermen. I am the gentleman of a zone. I can jump into the water and catch some fishes. That is what a zone man is. So that is the trademark of the Kalawari man. Is it very difficult for government to know that trawlers are coming from India, from Russia, from China, on our water? Kalawari territorial water, before it becomes Nigerian territorial water, they are fishing. At Andoni, the Bonny, why can't we get trawlers, give it to the people, go into partnership with the people, bring people who can enforce discipline and proper management, and then go and start to take these things, bring these riches, you bring it, you sell it, you package it, you set up places to dry them, cold rooms, others, and then you take this fish. Everybody will come from Aba, Owerri, everywhere to come and buy the fishes. It's a multi-billion naira business. All of us who are here, did they not tell us that this thing? Well, yeah. Did they not tell us that they are going to do blue economy? So what is the blue economy? Almost 2 years, 1 year and a half, blue economy had not taken off. It's the will.
Political will.
Yes, it's the will by government to make sure that they are able to give to the people what the people want. That is what the government had not done.